you are. And I was wondering how your poppets are incorporated into what you're doing.
Oh,
Are they part of your train game?
yes. We can do a string and do it, and then we can flip it over.
So how does it work? Because Penelope, you were just explaining it.
We just do it.
I just popped them all, and when you're done, you flip it over,
Uh-huh.
and then you have to come all the way around. And no, Georgia,
That's okay, sweetie.
it's okay, Georgia. No, you don't pinch it.
Okay.
Do that with your own, Georgia.
Okay. Put up here.
So what, you pop them all and then you have to go around the train track?
Yes, around.
Uh-huh.
And as soon as you come, you pop, 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 pop.
So
and
every time you do a full circle around the train track, you have to pop all the pops?
Yeah. But there's gonna be a lot of traffic. So it will
There
take-
is a lot of traffic. It looks very congested.
Keep going.
I want to see how this works.
Georgia, you're gonna take in a circle.
I know.
Have you already done your circle?
No.
Keep going.
Great job, Georgia, staying on the circle. But I think you're going to crash into Parker. What's Parker going to do? Oh, no.
I'll do this. Train traffic.
Train traffic.
Train traffic. My train can do this.
Oh my goodness, that is a super train. That train is very talented. Oh boy.
Stop.
The train is also mean.
The super train?
Yeah, the super train's bumping into the other train.
Yeah, he must be getting frustrated and impatient.
He's not. He's just.
Tell your super train to take a deep breath. Parker's train needs to take a deep breath. Okay, I want to see you guys go around.
We're in train traffic. Okay, Georgia, go in a circle. Okay, that's great. Go in a circle, it'll be.
Choo choo, choo 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 choo. Is that the little pony engine? All right.
No, the pony engine keep going. I think I can.
That's right.
I think I can.
That's right. I think that's what your train is saying. Oh boy, Parker, you've got a long train.
Me too.
Oh,
I got a Y.
I got a tiny train.
are you going to go up the hill now, Georgia?
I got a tiny train, Mommy.
You have a tiny one?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to do now, guys? You're all stuck.
Parker's got the biggest train.
Georgia, are you going to go up the hill?
But I'm waiting for Penelope.
I don't think you have to. I think she's waiting for you. She can't go anywhere.
I don't have that much trains, Mommy.
Okay. Didn't you divide them up the way I was showing you?
Penelope, some more.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Penelope,
5, 6.
see. Mommy.
Yeah.
Maybe these trains think there's a big giant mommy.
No! But I'm taking one for Penelope.
Yikes, what happened?
Then take some of yours for this.
Keep going, Georgie Pie.
This is impossible. Okay, Georgia, now you can pop all these.
Yay!
Parker,
Got to
now
pop.
you can pop all Georgia's. No. Parker, you get to pop all these and those.
Stop it. Wait a minute.
I went to my circle.
Oh, he still has to finish his circle, I guess. Georgia's popping all hers. Is the popping kind of like a green light? Once you've popped them all, it's a green light for the train?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty
Right now
cool.
it's a red light. Right now it's a red light. Yeah, you're gonna flip all these and this. Yeah, flip all those.
I'm gonna get my what is it called?
Hershey.
Horsey. Wait here.
But if you want to call him Whitey, you can call him Whitey.
I wanna call his horsey.
Hershey? Okay.
So far this is just mine.
No.
Parker's doing it. He's getting his green light for the trains.
Okay,
All
Georgia.
right. Now you all get to go again.
Parker.
I have a tiny train.
Okay, how about some three?
Will he
Oh,
help
Parker, thank you for sharing.
Yay.
Thank you for making it
Thank
fair.
you, Parker.
Good playing, guys.